Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to explain to you how to make a Mailchimp newsletter. Now, newsletter is something that's basically would look like that. Let me show you right here. So, this is an example of a newsletter, and making it in Mailchimp is gonna be pretty difficult because they don't really give you the access to make such designs by default, but we're going to try to make it somehow. Of course, I'm going to show you the tools and you guys go and make it more artistic and creative. So, first of all, once you open your Mailchimp dashboard or account, you will be faced with this area right here or section. Make sure to click on Start from Scratch. Once you have done it, you will be opening a white page that you could be working on as a base for your template. So this is something that we have worked a bit on in the last video. I'm going to remove everything as a starting point, and these two things we cannot remove since I have the free version of Mailchimp. In case you had the premium version, well, it's gonna be very simple and easy to remove just by clicking like we did with the other sections. You're gonna be doing just the same with this section. As you can see here, start your free trial right over here. So in my case, I'm just gonna keep it as it is and I'm going back. So newsletters will need a couple of sections. First, the heading, which mentions that it is a newsletter. So let me just write here newsletter. Let's set it all the way to the left. Let's color it in blue. And here we go. Now let's go and add, for example, an image. We could add it right here. Here could be a logo. We could add a logo right here instead of this image. Let me just remove this section. And yeah, here we go. I'm going to make the scale very small or medium, something similar to that. Of course, use the logo that matches your brand. Here I'm going to add, for example, an image. Here, an image which suits it the best. I'm going to add, upload, and I don't know which image should I use. Let's use this French logo here, just French banner, just for the moment. Of course, choose something that will fit your design. And once you have done that, here we have the text. So I'm going to just simply add a container of text or paragraph right down below. And we can, for example, type here, hello. And I'm going to add another one right next to it. Here we go. So here we have like two columns of text that we could write in our article. And finally, we will have, in case you would like to color it, of course you can color it, you can do whatever you want, guys. These details you can find them right here, so the video is gonna be too short to show you everything. But yeah, with this, just these things that I've shown you, you could actually go and make it look very much beautiful. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.